Welcome back to the Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to check the battery on the Apple Watch SE. If you have a watch face that doesn't have the battery, you won't see it. So all you have to do is push from the bottom and you have the widget here. We have 72%, and here we can even click it and see the battery remaining and even do power reserve if we want to make it last longer because we're going to go for a run or we're traveling and we can't charge on the go. We can do that. So yeah, basically, like I said, you can scroll from the bottom and check the app there. You can also go to battery settings here and check it on general. Wait, yeah, no, not general, just there, battery. And here you can actually see the battery use and when you rejuiced it and last charged to 99%, what time, battery health, and so on. So yeah, that's how you check your battery on the Apple Watch SE. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye.